Let's be honest, you've probably heard of Atomic Habits. You might have even bought the book. Like it's sitting somewhere on your shelf, half read, next to your morning routine journal you swore you'd start on Monday. But here's the thing. Atomic Habits isn't just another self-help buzzword. It's basically the science of how to change your life without burning out or turning into a productivity robot. So today let's break it down simply. No fancy talk, no psychology degree needed, just the raw truth about why habits work, why yours don't, and how to finally make progress that sticks. Small habits, big results. The compound effect. Here's the first truth bomb. Success doesn't come from one big decision, it comes from thousands of tiny ones. James Clear calls this the atomic part. Like atoms, habits are tiny but powerful when they build up. If you get 1% better every day, you don't end up 365% better at the end of the year. You end up 37 times better. But if you get 1% worse every day, you end up close to zero. That's the math behind why tiny habits matter. Want to read more books? Start with one page a day. Want to get fit? Do one push up after brushing your teeth. It's not about being lazy, it's about creating momentum that's too small to fail. The habit loop. Let's get a bit nerdy for a second. Every habit follows a loop cue. Something triggers your brain, like your phone lighting up. Craving. You want the reward. Dopamine hit. Response. You act, you check your phone. Reward, you feel satisfaction. Dopamine spike. But here's the fun part. You can hack this loop. If you want a new habit, make the cue obvious and the reward satisfying. Want to drink more water? Keep a full glass next to your laptop. Want to write daily? Put your notebook on your bed. It becomes a visual trigger. Your environment does half the work. You don't need more motivation, you just need fewer obstacles. The 4 laws of behavior change. James Clear breaks habit formation into 4 simple laws. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. Let's translate that into real life. Want to work out? Lay out your gym clothes the night before? Want to stop snacking? Don't buy snacks. You can't eat what doesn't exist. Want to start journaling? Use a tiny notebook. Don't make it a chore. And if you succeed, reward yourself. Your brain needs that hit to keep going. The key is friction. If you want to build a habit, remove friction. If you want to break one, add friction. If scrolling Instagram takes 2 clicks, make it 5. Log out every time. Hide the app. You'll be amazed how lazy your brain gets when things aren't instant. Identity-based habits. This is where Atomic Habits hits differently. Don't focus on the goal. Focus on the identity. Instead of saying, I want to read 20 books, say, I'm a reader. Instead of I want to work out, say, I'm the kind of person who doesn't skip workouts. Because your brain fights to stay consistent with how it sees itself. Every small win is a vote for the person you want to become. You don't need to overhaul your life in one go. You just need to start with one small atomic action today. Because small habits don't just change what you do, they change who you believe you are.